Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing. Quick review of this heat gun. Comes with a lot of accessories and also a lot of functions. It has dual speed, 7 different speed settings, a fast 1.5 seconds heat up process, and also a special safety cool down feature. So it has everything what we need. So let's take it out of the box, see what we get and how this works in real life. And so that's the brand name, that's the model type, and of course it's made for 110-120 volts. And it has a high power of 1500 watts maximum. So here is how we get it. It comes also with a detailed instruction manual and the specs here again. You can also see that they have a lot of tools, definitely worth to check this out. And so here we have these 4 different nozzles. Here we have the spoon reflector nozzle. This can help to disperse the heat flow evenly around the work area. And that's the fishtail surface nozzle. That's the basic concentrate nozzle, and that's the barbecue lighter nozzle. Comes with a long solid power cable. And here we have the heat gun itself, makes a really good solid impression, has this really nice handle, has a lot of grip all the way around. What's very important is that whenever you buy a heat gun, that it comes with a safe stand. So this has like basically a built-in stand here, really nice. So we are free to work with both hands on top of it and heat something up. And so here we have the 2 different speed settings. We can put it on the 1, which is super quiet, and even on the 2 it's not even loud, and we can already feel the heat, so it's really heating up super fast. And here in the back we can adjust the 7 different heat levels. What's really important to know is that the 2 speeds have also different heat settings or different temperature settings. On the speed number 1 we have between 120 and 750 degrees Fahrenheit, which means 120 is on 1, 750 is on 7. And with the speed number 2 we have 200 with the number 1 and 1200 degrees Fahrenheit on the number 7. That's probably important to know. So if you want to go with the lowest heat, you have to use the speed number 1. Also here's some really nice information about how you could use different heat settings or speed settings with different things which you want to repair. And the nozzles are very easy to add. You don't have to use screws or so, just put it on and then remove it after that. So I'm going to use this one here to repair a wire. And so I can work, for example, here with this self-solder heat shrink connector. So I can turn it on even when it's flat on the ground. And I can also adjust the temperature from here. You can see I don't have to lift it up. So I start with the medium level heat here. So let's wait and see what happens. And we can already see that it's shrinking nicely. The soldering needs about 138 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's nicely shrinking here. Of course, I have to move it a little bit left and right to apply some heat everywhere. But it's doing a great job already. And it's not hot for my hands. I can safely work here just a little bit on the side. So I think this side is okay. Let's also keep going with this side here. Also perfect here. Now let's concentrate in the center to melt the solder. Maybe I'll increase a little bit the heat. And so you can see it starts melting. Goes directly into the wire, makes a solid connection. Okay, I would say this is enough here. So let's check on the connection. I would say we have a perfect connection here. Absolutely no problem. Much better than everything what I've done before. So I can pull really hard. It's not going to break. Definitely my best connection I've ever done. In the past I've always been using a jet torch and I've always burned this connection. And so especially when you're working with the original wire and you have just one shot, you don't want to mess it up. So this is not the thing which you want to use. This is the way you want to go. So nice to have now all the options to adjust like glasses or remove dents from the car or so. And it comes with a really good protection. I mean, it has this overheat protection, overpower protection, everything, but it's also very safe. You can still hold it like that and it's not even warm. Yeah, really nice, solid, good device. So I can give you full recommendation. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and hope being able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.